Welcome to Focus English with Cece.
Hi, everyone. Let me ask you something. How many times have you hit the snooze button this morning? Don't worry, me too. Today, I want to take you with me through a normal day in my life. From that sleepy moment when the alarm rings, to catching the bus, working, and finally relaxing at night. It's simple, but in every step, you'll learn real English that you can use every day. So, stay with me until the end, because this is not just my story. It could be your story too. Let's go. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. My alarm rings, and yes, sometimes I want to sleep a little more, but I remind myself, it's time to start again. I sit up in bed, stretch my arms, and feel the new day waiting for me. Then I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face with cool water, and sometimes take a shower if I have enough time. Looking into the mirror, I smile at myself. That little smile makes the morning softer. Breakfast is simple but special. Most days I eat toast with butter and eggs, sometimes cereal or fruit, and always a cup of hot green tea. That warm tea makes me feel calm and ready. While eating, I often listen to music or check my phone. Just small things, like reading a message from a friend or checking the weather. After breakfast, I choose what to wear. Jeans, a simple shirt, maybe a sweater if it's cold. Then I check my bag. Phone, keys, wallet, shoes on, and I'm out the door. The bus stop is only a few minutes away. I like this short walk. The air feels fresh, the city is waking up, and other people are waiting too. Everyone has their own story, but for a moment, we share the same bus stop. The ride takes about 20 minutes. Sometimes it's crowded. Sometimes I find a seat by the window. I like to watch the buildings pass by, or listen to music, or sometimes just sit in silence. That silence is also a kind of music. When I arrive at work, I greet the security guard with a "good morning" and take the elevator up to my office. Work begins at 9. My job is busy, but I enjoy it. I write reports, send emails, and have small meetings with my coworkers. We laugh, we share ideas, and we help each other. At 12:30, it's lunchtime. Most days I bring food from home, sandwiches, fruit, maybe rice with vegetables. Sometimes I buy a salad. I eat with colleagues, and we talk about the weather, movies, or weekend plans. These simple talks make the day feel lighter. The afternoon continues with more work. By 5 o'clock, I turn off my computer, say goodbye to my coworkers, and step outside. The city feels different in the evening, a little slower, a little softer. I wait for the bus again. On the way home, I sometimes listen to a podcast, sometimes close my eyes and rest. At home, The first thing I do is take off my shoes and change into comfortable clothes, sweatpants, and a hoodie. I sit on the sofa for a few minutes, breathe, stretch, and just enjoy the quiet. Dinner is usually something simple: pasta with sauce, rice with vegetables, or a salad. I like to play soft music while I cook because it makes me feel calm. While eating, I try not to look at my phone. I want to really taste the food and enjoy the moment. Afterward, I wash the dishes and keep the kitchen tidy because a clean space is also a clean mind. Evenings are quiet. Sometimes I watch a movie. Sometimes I call a friend or talk with my family. Other times I write in my journal or listen to music. This is my time, my little pocket of peace after a long day. Around 9:30 or 10 o'clock, I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, put on face cream, and change into pajamas. My pajamas are soft light blue pants with a cozy t-shirt. I fold the clothes from the day and put them away. A tidy room feels like a soft hug before sleep. Finally, I switch off the bright lights and turn on a small lamp. I read a few pages of a book, sometimes stories, sometimes something that teaches me new ideas. Reading helps me slow down. Before closing my eyes, I think quietly about my day. What made me smile? What can I do better tomorrow? This reflection is like a little prayer, a gift I give to myself. Then, at around 10:30, I switch off the lamp, take a deep breath, and whisper goodnight. So, that was my day, from the first ring of the alarm in the morning to the quiet moment before sleep. But don't stop here. This story is not only for listening, it's also for learning. Let's take a look at some useful vocabulary, sentence patterns, and grammar that you can practice and use in your own daily life. Alarm, meaning a clock or device that wakes you up. Stretch, meaning to extend your body or arms to loosen muscles. Commute, meaning to travel regularly between home and work or school. Colleague, meaning a person you work with in the same company. Report, meaning a written document that gives information about something. Break room, meaning a place at work where employees can rest or eat. Relax, meaning to rest and feel calm, not stressed. Tidy, meaning clean and organized, or to make things clean. Pajamas, meaning clothes you wear for sleeping. Routine, meaning the usual order of activities you do every day. I like to plus verb, meaning expressing things you enjoy doing. I try to plus verb, meaning talking about making an effort to do something. It helps me plus verb, meaning showing how something makes life easier or better. This is my time to plus verb, meaning talking about personal or private time for specific activities. Sometimes I just plus verb, meaning describing small, simple actions you do occasionally. Present simple, meaning used for daily habits and facts. Structure, subject plus verb, base form. Thank you for listening to the story today. I hope you enjoyed the story and practiced some real-life English. I've created a free PDF with new words and sentence patterns from today's story, along with easy examples. It will help you learn more easily and more quickly. Also, just click the link in the description to download your free PDF gift. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe for more gentle stories. Keep learning, keep smiling. See you next time, my friend.